Welcome to Show and Tell with Hose and More. It's our way to show potential clients the type of work that we're capable of doing. Today, we're going to look at the Notre-Dame Ball Diamond project. In this project, we moved and upgraded the old infields and completely sloped the entire area, which is approximately 3 acres. The first step was to dig out the old infields. For this, we used a combination of our dozer and skid steers. We salvaged all of the old material and stockpiled it for use later. Next, we graded and sloped the entire 2 fields to ensure proper drainage once the new diamonds are built. Our dozer did all of the heavy lifting for this task, paired with our GPS system to ensure accurate results. Once the entire area was properly graded and sloped, we dug out the infields for the newly relocated ball diamonds. All of the data from our initial computer design is included in our GPS, so our machines are able to be incredibly accurate with the new layout. We laid down geocloth underneath the infields before adding the special baseball diamond clay. Our skid steer, equipped with a laser grader, finishes the clay leveling before the packer locks everything into place. If you have a project that requires heavy equipment, we can get the job done right. Contact us today for more information.